Hi there, this is April Jensen. I just wanted to show you what we've got in our Bunny Baby sculpt box. So this is the adorable little doll that you'll end up making with this. And then I'll show you all the parts that are inside and what you get in the box. So a sculpt box is a kit that is filled with everything that you need for sculpting the particular doll or whatever the project is. So when you open it up, you'll find inside all the different parts and pieces needed to make this particular project, with some different needle felting, because this one focuses on a little bit of needle felting skills, different materials for the pattern. We always have either some eyes or maybe some glass beads that you could turn into eyes, some of the fabric for the fur, different adornments with some eyes for the bunny, and other parts for the bunny with pom-poms. We typically will have parts included for an armature, so pieces to make your armature with, and then just whatever pieces are needed. This one, since it focuses on some needle felting, also comes with a needle felting pad and needle, so you can learn how to do that. You'll have that at your disposal, plus we always have a bit of clay in there too, and then the DVD that will show you exactly how to make the doll. Often it's just one DVD, but this one has two for this project. It was kind of a longer one, and then you also will typically find some sort of pattern inside as well. This one's more showing us how we do the bunny costume and the armature and all of that. Anyway, those are all the pieces that are included with our Bunny Baby project, and that's what she looks like. Pretty fun. She's got a sweet little posable body. I teach you how to sculpt the face, the hands, and then I will teach you how to needle felt some slippers, and even include how to do this sweet little bunny that she has too. All right, hope you enjoyed that. Thanks so much. Bye.